not leave me, Edward.
I would never leave you, Bella.
That's what you said last time, Edward.
Yeah, well, I won't this time, unless you talk to that flea-bitten mutt, Jacob.
Tell her to stay away from me, Edward.
And why's that?
Because you're stupid and you're dead.
Yeah, well, at least I don't eat dog food.
At least I have a heartbeat.
You got me there. But, at least I don't eat dog food.
Whatever. Bella, you need to come with me.
No, you need to come with me.
No.
Boys, break it up. The law in Washington. I lost my pen, excuse me. The law in Washington State. I gotta write you up. As I see the other two choices. You join PTK. Fellowship, leadership, scholarship, or services. Or you can do services in the county jail. Your choice.
Well, I'm leader of a wolf pack, so I'm pretty good at that.
Yeah, well, I have fellowship because I'm soft and romantic and stuff.
Yeah,